students, how are you all? I hope you're all doing great. Skyget is launching an amazing concept called tips and tricks for lakhs of students out there. With the help of tips and tricks, you can solve hundreds of thousands of problems within seconds. Let me explain the feature of. Okay, hi. So, who are you? What do you want? You have a doubt. So, give me, I will explain it to you. So, what is the doubt? Mechanism of muscle contraction. This is a very important topic. So, let me clear the doubt for you. Mechanism of muscle contraction. So, what is happening? The impulse is carried from nerve fiber to muscles. What is happening? So muscle, when impulse reaches the muscle, the action potential is generated in sarcolemma of the muscle. Sarcolemma, outermost membrane, that is the plasma membrane of the striated muscles. So there is a release of calcium from endoplasmic reticulum into the sarcoplasm. This calcium binds with the troponin, yes. So troponin of subunit of actin filament. So when it binds with the troponin, there is an unmasking of active site of troponin. As a result, what is happening? Myosin binds with the active site of actin. Active site of actin. So there is the formation of cross bridges and energy is hydrolyzed. Simultaneously, what is happening? Energy is hydrolyzed to ADP. So ADP and inorganic phosphate, and attached actin is pulled towards the center. So this is the process of muscle contraction. So let us see in the diagram. So myosin binds with the active site of actin, yes. And what is happening? There's a movement. The muscle, the cross bridge is formed, and with the hydrolysis of the ATP, the attached actin is pulled towards the center. So here you can see the position has been changed. So let us see in the animation what is happening. Contraction. So attached actin is to move towards the center. So this is the process of muscular contraction. So actin is moves towards the center, and in relaxation actin moves back to its original position. So with the help of tips and tricks, we can solve amazing doubts, and we can solve doubts within seconds. So thank you students. Keep on practicing.